doesn't work.
But they don't cut it like that, babe.
Yeah,
You're removing.
Banana.
So you're ripping it. It could be the easiest way.
Yeah, here it works a little bit. You have to be very careful. It sticks together like glue. Yeah, I know. I will use the knife.
If you're born like in Uganda, I think you could be the professor. And even you're not supposed to cut it like that. You're supposed to cut it from this side, from the top to the bottom. Yeah, it will be easier. And you have...
I think when I'm done, there's no banana left.
Oh my God. This peeling is the bestest. Hey, babe, the way you cut it.
Oh, this is banana. I think the other thing, the peeler would be working better for me.
You can try it with peelers. I mean, I'm going to bring it. You try it also.
Yeah, you give me.
My God.
I'm cutting too much of this stuff.
And how long will you take to finish all this?
5 minutes.
Let me bring the peeler for you. Omusajja ali mu kuyiga kuwaata manonge naye bannange ogenda seeko ogenda kufa nseko kati aleese piira kanene akasala gundi akasala obummonde kagezese asose gona gajjako nno. Hey, babe, that is the last one otherwise. That one I think is the worst.
The banana spot.
My God.
Well, it looks good. Better than yours.
No.
It's much better than yours. Look at those.
This Matooke peeling. But at least it's better than the other first one.
I told you, it's better than what you made. Look at these nice edges. It looks like it's a sculpture. Like an artist from Italy made it. It's Leonardo. Peeling a donor out of the sandstone.
I think that will be the last one, then I peel the rest.
Why?
You want to peel everything?
Why not? I'm done.
Okay. Because I thought it is really...
You are too busy filming me.
Because I want...
You can't do anything with the phone in your hand.
I want people to see that a Muzungu can peel Matooke, and he peels it nicely. By the way, it is really good. Show it to them.
It's better than what you made. It looks like Leonardo chiseled it out of sandstone.
Mine is better. You put...
This is not even straight and the whole...
No, I was just showing you how to do it.
This is no good.
I was a teacher.
This is no good.
Actually, this thing is really good. The last one will be the professor.
Yeah.
The professor from Uganda.
Yeah, unfortunately, I'm from Austria.
Yeah. But you know, Matooke, it is originated from Uganda,
yes,
so...
This is best food. I know why you like it now.
Why?
Because it's good, and especially when you mix it with meat.
What about with granuts?
Granuts is an add-on. It's not a replacement for meat. You have to put it on the meat, not as the meat. Then it's good.
Then it will be better.
Yeah, it's much better.
It is leka.
Yeah, very.
Now, mwami wange ali mu kugira Matooke. Agakozeseza kagondi no gajiza ate mbadde nange sikigezangako. And it looks good. Wow. You are fast.
I try to be Try to get the Ugandan championship for Matooke peeling next year. And we'll work out the whole winter. Be fit. I'm pretty sure there is championship for that.
Yeah, I think for kids.
If it's not, then we have to.
I think they
have
should
to
put.
start the trend with Ugandans that peel Matooke on time. They should post how fast they can do it and what's their technique, and then we share it, and then we make.
Or maybe other white people, they bring their African women, they bring their husbands, and I also bring mine. We will be there.
But I feel we have to constrict it by using hands, because I don't see it's taking long until somebody takes a machine and puts.
No, they use hands. You have to use hands.
Yes, that's the rule. You have to use hands. You can't use power tools. But I've seen people peeling apples with power tools. So.
But this thing is not done. You see. Yeah, it's still green.
Looks the same as yours.
No, mine is much better.
You wish.
No, mine is much better.
Don't want to remove too much of the goodies. Because it will be gone. So this is all banana. You can't tell me otherwise.
Then it's okay. There is.
This is banana already.
Yeah.
So.